So we're here at the stunning 51 Crestbrook Drive, Albany Creek, where Brooksies Energy Solutions has just installed a 13 kilowatt system with Jinko panels and a Solis inverter. Can you tell us about the benefits that you've experienced with the system?
For sure. The combinations of the Jinko panels and the Solis 1P10K inverter is fantastic. The inverter has an impressive 98% maximum efficiency, which ensures we're getting the most out of every ray of sunlight. We also installed a Solis smart meter, allowing the customer 24-hour consumption monitoring. It also has a high-frequency switching technology, which means we have a smaller, lighter unit without sacrificing performance.
It seems like the Solis inverter is quite a powerhouse. How has this technology affected your daily operation?
The efficiency of Jinko panels and the Solis inverter means we're getting the most out of our solar, and the compact, lightweight design made installation a breeze. It's technology that works for us every day.
Jinko panels and Solis inverters are at the forefront of solar technology. Their reliability and efficiency make my job easier because I know I'm offering top-notch solutions. The Solis inverter, for example, not only offers high efficiency, but has a 3 MPPT design, an IP66 ingress protection, and a compact design. These are tangible benefits that I can match to my customers' specific needs, which helps me provide personalised, effective solutions. At OSW, we are dedicated to empowering our customers across the country. We value each customer, big or small, and always strive to provide the right solution at the right price right now. This enables our customers to successfully thrive on the journey of sustainability.